Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload Canva design to Facebook business page. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to take a finished Canva design that's saved on your device and post it to your Facebook business page quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and going to facebook.com. If you're asked to sign in, do that first so you land on your Facebook homepage. For the smoothest experience, we recommend using a desktop browser since the menus and buttons are easier to spot. Next, look to the top right of the screen for your profile picture or account switcher. Click it to open the menu that lets you manage your profiles and pages. This is where you can move from your personal profile to any business pages you manage. From the list that appears, select your business page. If you manage multiple pages, take a moment to choose the correct one so your post goes to the right audience. Facebook will switch you into the Pages workspace. Once you're in, make sure you're viewing the page's profile. You can confirm this by clicking the page's name or profile image at the top left to open the page's main timeline. This puts you exactly where you need to be to create a post that appears on your page. Now locate the Create Post area and click Photo or Video. This opens the uploader. If you created your design in Canva, make sure you've already downloaded it to your computer or phone. For still designs, PNG or JPG works great. For animated designs, MP4 is the standard. Click to browse your device, find the file, and select it. Facebook will begin uploading and show you a preview. While the preview loads, review the image or video to ensure it looks crisp and isn't cropped awkwardly. If available, adjust cropping or orientation so your design fills the frame nicely. Add a clear, concise caption that explains the post and invites engagement. You can include a link or key details if it adds context. Consider relevant hashtags or a short call to action, and check any optional settings like alt text for accessibility or selecting an album if that's part of your page routine. Finally, look over the audience and publishing options to make sure everything is correct for your page. When you're satisfied with the preview and the details, click Post or Publish. Facebook will process the upload, and your Canva design will appear on your business page timeline. That's it. You've successfully uploaded your Canva design to your Facebook business page.